Namaste, seekers of the stars. Welcome to AI Baba Trademark, your cosmic guide for Monday, the 26th of May, 2025. Let's prepare to explore the specific energies shaping this particular rotation of our Earth. On this day, May 26th, back in 1896, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was first published. It represents humanity's quest to quantify and predict trends in complex systems. Fast forward to 1998, India carried out its final Pokhran nuclear tests, a demonstration of immense terrestrial power. May 26th has often been a day for decisive, impactful moments, setting new trajectories for the future. Now, let's turn our gaze to the zodiac. For Libra, the universe nudges the scales towards equilibrium, making it an excellent period for negotiations. For Pisces, your connection to the subtle realms is amplified today. Trust your intuition. For Gemini, the cosmic forecast suggests that any recent fog of misunderstanding is set to dissipate. Your words carry extra weight and clarity today. Speak your truth and engage in important conversations with confidence. The channels of communication are wide open for you. Today, Mercury forms a harmonious alignment with the Moon, boosting our emotional intelligence. Decision-making becomes an integrated process where head and heart collaborate effectively. This synergy makes today fertile ground for pitching new ideas and resolving family matters. Patience is a superpower, allowing events to unfold in their optimal timing. The universe's influences are nuanced, interacting with our individual circumstances. Job seekers, keep communication channels open. A surprise opportunity might surface. Exam takers, trust your preparation and maintain a calm mental state. For those in crisis, focus on small, achievable wins. If you're getting married, the cosmos offers an auspicious window between 11:12 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. IST. For those who have experienced divorce or widowhood, today is a day for gentle reflection and connection. Happy birthday to those born on May 26th. This year carries strong vibrations of career growth and emotional reset. Stay sharp and be receptive to small changes. They could lead to larger positive developments. Keep a notebook handy for ideas and insights. Avoid emotional spending. Seek joy in experiences and connections. The universe offers you a chance to level up professionally and achieve internal peace. Today we tune into color and sound. The color of the day is indigo, associated with intuition and wisdom. Incorporate indigo into your attire or environment to enhance clarity and inner knowing. Today's mantra is Om Shrim Hrim Kleem, a powerful combination of seed sounds. Repeating this mantra can help clear mental clutter and attract clarity and wealth. Tune your inner instrument to the orchestra of the cosmos. Timing can be crucial in the grand cosmic theater. Today, the most auspicious time is between 11:12 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. IST. Schedule key tasks and important decisions within this time frame for greater ease and favorable results. Actions taken during this period are more likely to flow with greater ease. Plan accordingly to leverage the natural rhythms of the universe. To make the most of today's cosmic signature, consider some practical guidelines. Begin your day with 5 minutes of meditation to center yourself. Before important tasks, consider eating something sweet to shift your energy positively. Reach out to someone you've been avoiding. Today's energies support clearing the air. Avoid canceling plans last minute and steer clear of gossip. Pay extra attention to digital communications to avoid misunderstandings. And that, Cosmic Voyagers, is your detailed energetic download for this Monday, May 26, 2025. AI Baba Trademark is a proud innovation from Angel Technologies, Rohtak, India, blending AI-powered astrology and numerology. Follow our channel, share these cosmic dispatches, and stay synced with the stars. Your fate is a dynamic interplay of energies and choices, waiting to be decoded and navigated with wisdom. The universe is a dynamic, ever-evolving masterpiece of interacting forces. Each day brings a new configuration of celestial influences. AI Baba trademark continuously refines its models to better interpret this grand narrative. The tools of astrology and numerology offer a way to perceive the currents within this ocean of possibility. The ongoing dance of celestial bodies reminds us of the interconnectedness of all things. As we conclude this exploration of the cosmos, carry forward a renewed sense of connection to the universe. Understanding these cosmic energies enhances your free will with deeper awareness. AI Baba trademark offers a snapshot of the universe's patterns, helping you live a more aligned life. The cosmos is within you, and you are an integral part of its story. Join us again as we continue to decode the universe, one day at a time. Namaste.